want 2023 to be the best year of your life. You really deserve it. Love you, boo.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and it's Adunni again. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this kinky spring twist, which I really like so much. If you haven't seen any video from me this year, this is me saying happy new year to you. I wish you a beautiful year ahead, and you should go see my first video from this year. It's a tutorial I feel you'll find helpful. I'll have a link in the description box. You're welcome, and I am a creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. So this is the closure I'll be using for today's wig, and all my closures are handmade by me, and I have a tutorial on how I make that also. If you scroll down below, or I will have a link in the description box. So I'm just trying to fit in my cap that I already attached my closure to on my mannequin head. And also I always have my closure and my frontal or whatever I am using prepared, and it makes my work very fast and easy. If you also want a tutorial on how I prep my closure or my tutorial, I have a link in the description box. I think I've said that like 3 times already in the video. So I'm using this natural twist extension from Darling, and guys, working with this was actually so beautiful. Like, it was really beautiful. So this is what one pack of it looks like, and it comes in 20 inches, and this is in the color 30. I actually wanted to make this for myself because I just wanted something that I could throw on easily. But guys, guess what? It got sold right on the day I finished it. It got sold. So I'll definitely be making another one for myself in this same exact color because I definitely like the outcome. So what I'm doing now is flattening out my tape rule on the back side of my wig cap to measure out, or let me say to space out the positioning of my twists. And this is actually very good because it makes you know what to do and just how to move when you're braiding. Like, all of this preparation makes the work easy. Like, it's just like you doing the work before the main work. If that makes sense. So I'm measuring it at 1 inch apart, and it's going to also help with the spacing of my wig. Excuse me. And it won't make it too tight or too full. It just makes the wig come out perfect, the shaping and all of that. So that was what I went ahead to do, and after doing that I make sure to show you guys how I crochet in my kinky twist at the back. And what I do is to cut in the long parts that you guys saw just now into 4 parts. First I go into 2, and second I go into 3. And guys, I am so sorry because I definitely missed recording this part, and I didn't know until after I was about editing. It was so painful. Like, it was so painful. I even shared it on my Instagram posts, on my Instagram story, but I missed a clip from my video, from my tutorial. Guys, I was so angry with myself, but I'm just so grateful that I could still go ahead to record this tutorial while just explaining to you guys what I did in the clip that I forgot to record. So I cut my kinky twist into 4, as you guys saw in the previous clip. It's into 2, then into 4. So that's just, I don't know if it makes sense, but I cut it into 4. So you measure it like the way you measure when you're trying to do when you're trying to cut your extension, exactly, something like that. And I just crochet with my crochet pin into my wig cap, and I twist it down all the way to the tip, which is actually pretty simple and self-explanatory if you guys just keep on watching the video. And I'll leave you guys to just see what I am doing while I come back from watching one of my favorite show, which is SWAT. Guys, I've been loving SWAT so much. I don't know. I'll be back, guys. So for the closure parts, this is just me basically showing you guys how I make the closure part. So what I do is to go ahead and loosen the pre-made braid that I had already done, and I section my kinky twist, or my natural twist as it is called. So what I do now is, for the front part, I just cut it into 2 equal parts compared to the back side where I cut it into 4, and this is just to make sure that the length from the front side is as equal as length on the back side. And I pull it out, I fluff it out, and I grip the braid from the bottom side, and that is just to give it a good grip actually. So I grip it from the bottom side, and you're going to see how I do that in a few minutes. So another thing I do while braiding is, because at the end, or because the long run I'm going to switch from braid to twist, I normally use my T-pin to hold down the section that I had braided so it doesn't pull out. You know, when your hairstylist is braiding your hair and you kind of hold it down at the bottom part, so that is just what I use my T-pin to do, as you're going to see very soon in this clip. So I just want you guys to keep watching. If you have any question, please drop it for me in the comment section. If you would want to order something like this or anything you've seen me make on this video, my email will be in the description box, and my Instagram account will also be in the description box. You can reach out to me via any of the two. And also, this is also to put out that I will never share my WhatsApp number on YouTube here. So please, if you see anyone sending you a message from WhatsApp, kindly dismiss it, as it is not from me. I will only be contacting anybody that would want to purchase anything from me by my email or my Instagram page. And very soon, hopefully February, my website should be up, where you can actually always reach out to me if you want to purchase anything you find on this page. Till then, till my next video, thank you guys so much for watching. I honestly do appreciate all the love you guys show me in the past in 2022, and I hope that we grow into a bigger community this year, guys. All right, all that's been said, please make sure to watch up until the end. Click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it will help other people who would find this video helpful to find them. Basically, if you click this like button, it will help other people see my video, and if you subscribe to my channel, it will help my channel grow and also help me increase the tendency of getting monetized and earning more money here on YouTube. I think that's all been said. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.